Who wouldn't want a extra 3.5% to 4% on your money, guys, just by having it parked there doing nothing? What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the only bank account you guys need in 2023. You're going to want to stick around to the end. I got some really important things to share with you. Before we get started, make sure you smash that big old fat like button down below and subscribe if you're new. Turn on that post notification bell so you're always notified when I drop a video, man. And without further ado, like I just said, the only bank account you guys need in 2023 and this year here is going to be your high yield savings account. And we're going to quickly break down what a high yield savings account is, and then I'm going to also be speaking about why I think you should only have this account, what the benefits are, and we're also going to pull up the phone right here and show you all the high yield savings accounts that are out there, who's giving the best rates, which one I have, and why you should absolutely guarantee have one of these accounts if you already don't. Quickly sum up with what a high yield savings account is. Let's just talk about it. So a high yield savings account is just like your normal regular bank account, except for unlike your traditional banks that you can just walk in and kind of do your transactions, the high yield savings account allows you to gain more money. They're able to pay you a higher percent of interest because they don't have a brick and mortar location. They're actually, most of them are all online, and that's why they are able to reward you with a higher interest rate so that your money grows faster, unlike your traditional bank where you're only going to probably be getting a 0.1, maybe 0.5% on your money, which is really, really poor. Now, with these high yield savings account, you're going to gain anywhere from 1 to 3, maybe even 3.5%, which is really good. But the ones we're going to be talking about today are some of the top high yield savings accounts out there right now for you guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and break down the high yield savings accounts that are out there if you guys are interested and want to sign up to start gaining some extra money. Maybe on your emergency funds, on your savings account, whatever it is. I definitely recommend getting your money out of your traditional bank account that's really earning you barely anything to putting your money into a high yield savings account where you're going to be getting up to 3.5%, which is really, really good for money just sitting around. The first high yield savings account we're going to be talking about today, and it's probably one of the best ones out there, if not the highest paying, but also the best bank out there, is going to be your SoFi. SoFi is going to be giving you a 3.75 currently right now with a $0 balance, and they're also offering a $250 bonus with direct deposit. So SoFi is, if you don't know who SoFi is, right, obviously a financial institution, but SoFi is huge. They got SoFi credit cards, checking account, savings account. You got your high yield savings, and SoFi is pretty much the top tier and pretty much leading out there when it comes to high yield savings account. They're able to give you almost 4% on your money just by leaving it in that account. $0 balance, guys. It's phenomenal. SoFi is really, really, really well known, and you could really count on them to keep your money in there nice and safe and secure. Second high yield savings account is going to be with Discover. Now, Discover, everyone knows about Discover, another financial institution. They got checking, savings account, all sorts of credit cards. Discover is huge, well known. They're offering 3.30%, which is, again, phenomenal. That's actually what I'm earning right now with mine. I'll share that in just a minute. But they're giving a $200 bonus to those who qualify. So Discover is another high yield savings account that you may want to look into, as well as SoFi. Third one, I don't know much about this organization or company, but I have heard good things online about them, and that's Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Now, they are going to also be giving the same as Discover, which is the 3.30% with zero minimum balance, APY, and they are not at the moment sharing any bonuses. Fourth one is going to be the beast in the credit industry, the credit cards. They got all sorts of credit cards, top tier credit cards, no annual fee credit cards, minimum, they got all sorts of credit cards, and they're really known, and that's going to be American Express, aka Amex. American Express is going to be giving you 3.30% on your money, kind of like the trend we've been following with Discover and also Markets by Goldman Sachs. They're going to be giving you 3.30 with $1 minimum balance, and they are also not sharing any bonuses at the moment for their high yield savings accounts. The next one is going to be Citibank, another pretty well known and accredited bank. Citi is going to be giving you 3.40% with $1 minimum balance as well, and they are also not providing a bonus at the moment. Last one I'm going to be sharing with you guys is going to be Barclays. I know nothing about this company. They are rated 4.5 stars. Again, don't quote me, so I don't know if this bank is good or not, but on Google it says that they are really accredited and they are well known. And I've also heard, not from many, but a couple videos online of people mentioning the Barclays online high yield savings account was really good. So you guys can check that out. They're giving a 3.40%, and that's a zero minimum balance, and they are also not giving no bonus. So now I'm going to be sharing with you where I have my money parked as far as my high yield savings. My bank was not on this list, which I was surprised, but I have had no issues. I know a lot of people that use them, and that is going to be Capital One. I have the Capital One Performance Checking and Savings, where I'm currently earning 3.30 APY on my money, which is really good. I think last month I got like $27 in interest, and I also got like the previous month I got like 30 something. So right now I'm going to be really stepping it up and putting a lot of money into these accounts rather than my traditional account. That's exactly what I wanted to share with you guys is really, if you have all your money parked in your normal bank, I do recommend kind of moving that money to a high yield savings account. You're going to be protected. Don't worry about that. You don't have to have any worries. Had I known this sooner, I would have had all my money parked in a high yield, because this entire time I had most of my money, pretty much all my money, in a traditional bank where I'm not really gaining any interest. But now I know that these high yield savings account give you, a higher percentage on your money. The downside is they are online companies and businesses, so that is why they're able to give you a higher percentage. They don't have a physical location that you can just walk in, which nowadays is 2023. A lot of us, I don't know, I guess I'll just speak for myself. I don't really use much cash. I just do everything automatic, online, electronically. So it really benefits me to have this high yield savings account. It really does. I can always make transfers and wires and, kind of just move money electronically online. So that's not an issue. I haven't ran into any issues as far as transferring money. If I need money, I can, they also provide you with a debit card, which is pretty cool. If you need to take out any money at, a ATM for whatever reason, if you need quick money, you can also access that. But guys, this is a game changer. I'm telling you right now, if you do not have a high yield savings account gaining at least 3%, 3 to 3.5% on your money every month just by leaving your money in there and not touching it, you are absolutely missing out. You're going to want to take advantage. Go ahead and check out all the banks I talked about in today's video. Go ahead and check out your SoFi, your Discover, your Markets by Goldman Sachs. Go ahead and check out Citibank, Barclays. Check them all out. Do your own research, guys. I hope that you guys are having a great day. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'm telling you that in 2023, you're going to want to have a high yield savings account, guys. It's a game changer. You're going to be earning a lot of money. Depending on how much you have in your account, you're going to be earning some nice money on your money for free by doing nothing. Who wouldn't want an extra 3.5% to 4% on your money, guys, just by having it parked there doing nothing? I know I do. So I'm going to go ahead and go shove some more money in this high yield savings account and make some free money. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.